Ah, four or more sentences. Okay, kalimut ha. Dayon, ay kalimut gamit if possible, paraphrase, use high-level words, complex sentence, compound complex sentences. All right? Let's start. What's your name, please?
Okay, sir. Yes, I'm glad to tell my name. I am Eroni Grace Ruales, and I do really love my name. My name is Grace, which I believe that I am truly a grace to my family.
Okay. And where are you from?
I am from Davao City. I live in Lanang. So the location there, the landmark there is in the Mosa land. It's just a walking by from the Mosa land.
Okay. And what do you do?
Right now, currently, I am a butcher deboner, a meat cutter at Jackie's Meat Shop, located at Bangkerohan, Davao City, a wet market. So I am actually, my work there is firstly, we prepare our PPEs in order for us to be safe. So we wear, or I am wear
Mhm.
safety shoes, and also I wear hairnet and gloves in order for me to protect my arms. So
Okay. All right, that's great.
secondly,
Okay. Let's move on to part one of our speaking test. Okay. Let's talk about raining. Do you like rainy days?
sometimes I do like rainy days, but it depends. When I want to stay in the room and just chill in my bed, I want the weather to be rainy. But sometimes I prefer sunny day because when I do laundry,
Mhm.
I want that my clothes are very heat or hot and not getting wet.
Okay. All right. What do you do on rainy days?
Yeah, just like I mentioned earlier, that when
Mhm.
rainy days, I want to chill in my bed or
Mhm.
watching Netflix. And also, I want to drink hot coffee
Mhm.
with chocolate cake.
Okay.
And sometimes I am eating those my favorite food.
Okay. Does it rain much in your country? Where and when?
I'm sorry?
Does it rain? Does it rain much in your country? If yes, so where and when?
Yes, sometimes when our country in the Philippines is a tropical country. So sometimes it's just raining during
Mhm.
in the middle of the year, June, July, until August. So we really prepare to bring our umbrellas, our raincoats, and to make sure to drink a lot of water and vitamins once a day in order for
Mhm.
us to get protected by the viruses.
Okay. Does it rain much in your hometown? Or can you remember any time when it rained particularly heavily?
Yes, actually, last Sunday, the rain poured heavily in our place. And I didn't turn on our aircon because it's very cold in the room. So I wear two blankets in order for me to be heat. And I am very happy with the time because I am enjoying the weekend staying in our room and watching movies. together with the family.
Mhm. Mhm. Okay, okay. Has rain ever affect transportation in your hometown?
Yes,
Mhm.
yes,
Mm.
it very affect it's really affects in our transportation, especially that I am commuting from our house to the workplace. When I go to the workplace,
Phone 2 connected.
I
Mhm.
always make sure that I have an umbrella and I wear my jacket, and also I also wear slippers sometimes so that my shoes not getting wet.
Okay, okay, that's cool. Let's move on and talk about shoes. Since you mentioned shoes. How often do you buy shoes?
Actually, when I was in college, I didn't really buy shoes. However, when I work, I can now buy shoes. This year I bought 3 shoes, and I really love the shoes that I bought. It is for running shoes and for just office shoes. So I have 3 shoes this year,
Mhm. Mhm.
and I I do really love that. It's not very much expensive though.
Okay, okay. Have you ever bought shoes online?
Yes, I've bought shoes online,
Mhm.
and actually the shoes in online is much cheaper, but I also paid a shipping fee because it's from other country. So
Mhm.
it
Mhm.
added my payment, but it is much cheaper than the one I bought in the malls.
Okay. Do you know anyone who likes to buy many shoes?
Yes.
Mhm.
Some artists in the Philippines
Mhm.
really buy many shoes. I don't know why they're buying a lot of shoes and they just put it in their drawer. They're just displaying the shoes, where in fact they can give it to the people that don't have shoes. But I still respect their fun of having a lot of shoes.
Okay, that's collection. I have plenty of shoes. I have many shoes. All right. Okay. What is your favorite type of shoes?
My favorite type of shoes is running shoes because I always run
Mhm.
every morning,
Mhm.
and sometimes in the weekend I run in the afternoon. After that, I do badminton also. So I love running shoes. Very comfortable in my feet.
Okay.
Feet.
Okay. Are people willing to buy expensive shoes?
Not all people willing to buy expensive shoes. It depends. Some people are not even affordable to buy a new one. So not all people really buy expensive shoes. Just a
Mhm.
cheaper, the one
Okay.
that they afford.
All right. That's cool. Let's move on to part two of our speak and test. Okay. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. After 1 minute, you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes. All right. Okay. This will be your
Okay.
topic. You can write notes if you like in that 1 minute preparation time. Okay. There you go. That's your topic, and your 1 minute starts now. Okay, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. There we go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk and you can start.
Yes, the city that I love to visit is Baguio. We've been there last summer. So together with my family, we stroll in the city. We do really love Baguio because that's the first time that our families being there. With my mother, that's the first time she traveled via plane. She is amazed with the place. And we stroll on the new places with a lots of flowers. And there's many palm trees. So the smell of the palm trees are so good. It refreshes our sense of smell. We explore new places and even experience the culture there and seeing the native people, and the food is very authentic that we are able to taste the goodness of the food.
Mhm.
Our family are very happy on that day. We really enjoy that moment. How I wish that my father's is with us, but he preferred to stay in our home to just be with our pet. And actually, my two siblings are also there.
Mhm.
My brother is from another country, so we spend a lot of time together. How many months that we haven't seen, so we bond together with my family and my brother and my sister as well. I like to travel again, go back to the Baguio, but I hope that when I go back there, I will bring my loved one, my special loved one. So I hope one day that when the time is right, that
Mhm.
I will meet my other half. I will invite him to go to the Baguio and enjoy the place.
Okay, very good. That's already 2 minutes. All right, good job. Let's move on to part 3 of our speak and test. Okay, just some follow-up questions. How can people benefit from traveling in your country or to your country? How can people benefit from traveling to your country?
The people will benefit.
From
The
traveling to your
people will
country?
benefit traveling by being traveling to the country, by enjoying the place
Mhm.
and having a memorable experience with the food, the ambience, and the people as well. They will benefit with the culture that they have, with the places that they visit. And also, it is very relaxing to visit another place that is new. It will refreshes your soul, and also it will it will make you more interesting to visit another place again. And it will make you stress free and feel relief by all the challenges that you encountered in your life.
Okay, that's
So
cool. That's cool. What are the advantages and disadvantages of traveling by train?
traveling by train is the fastest way to go to another place. However, based on my experience, there's a lot of people or commuters that are falling in line just to make on time.
Mhm.
So you will encounter people that smell so bad, people that are disgusting. But that is the advantage of experiencing a
Mhm.
train.
Okay, okay. Do you think modern means of transportation cause harm to the environment?
Modern means of communication.
Transportation.
Yeah, the modern transportation are not really harming in the environment, because some transportation now are eco-friendly, which means they run with the energy.
Mhm.
Just charge the battery of the car and it will move. Just make sure that the battery is not yet empty.
Mhm.
So I believe that modern transportation now is a very much helpful in the ecosystem
Mhm.
and also in the society.
Okay, okay. Very good. All right, good job. So that's the end of our speaking test. Okay.